Hey guys, how you all doing today? Today I'll be opening up some of these Shining Fates tins. They come with 2 packs in each of them, as well as a coin, I believe. I think that's all that comes in them. I have 3 of these to open up today, so yeah, let's get into it. Just trying to find my scissors. Gotta open these up. Hopefully it's not too hard to break these open. Probably should invest in some new scissors actually, make it a bit easier. But yeah, let's open our first one. The first tin features the Menifee. Here it is. Looks pretty sweet. It pops out as well. The Pokemon logo and the Menifee here, which is very nice. I'll probably be keeping these tins as well. And looks like we get a Blastoise token or coin. Very cool, probably worth a few bucks. And then you get this Menifee card, I guess. Just tells you the height, the weight, and a bit about the Pokemon itself. Which says it starts its life with a wondrous power, that permits it to bond with any kind of Pokemon. And you have the artwork on the back as well. And then you get your packs. So 2 Shining Fates packs. And obviously the pull that everyone's trying to get is the Charizard. So I'll put that aside. Let's open our first pack. Hope I don't cut the cards. I feel like sometimes happens to people. Here we go. First pack. It'll slide out. God damn. I feel like I already see something just from looking at the top. There we go. Kind of screwed that up, but that's alright. Code for you to redeem online, and then it is 3, and then I think we chuck this out, which should be an energy card. Water energy, very nice. We have a Dartrix, Gym Trainer, Team Yotao, the coughing we saw earlier, Shinx looking very energetic there, Grookey thinking about life, Trapinch looking to the moon, Yanma, wow, how do you say this, Impidimp? I have no idea how to say his name, but that is a shiny holographic, and that is awesome. And we get a Cramorant VMAX as well, which is sick. So we got 2 out of this pack, which is amazing. I will be sleeving these up very shortly. Very nice first pack. That's a great first pack. Well, time to see what's in this second pack. Hopefully we get something just as good, if not better. And let's go. Pack number 2. Got these packs up. Guess we'll just see the first card every time. That to the side. There's a code. 3 from the back. Energy card, I'll guess a leaf. Jokes. Here we go. Team Yoltau. Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Snom that we saw earlier, coughing again, Cacnea looking proud there, Gossifleur, Snom again, 2 Snoms in a pack, wow. Thievul as the reverse, and a Celebi rare. So not as good for the second pack, but that's alright, we'll take it. Because we still have 2 more to go. Open this one again with my trusty scissors. Not so trusty scissors, I mean. There we go. Come on. And this one features a Kyogre on the front, which pops out as well, as you can see. Which looks very awesome. And that's a Snom there as well in the corner. Can you see that? The little Snom in the corner there. Yeah. Very cute. Anyways, here we go. Get another Blastoise coin, so maybe all of these have Blastoise coins. I'm not sure if they come in different coins. Hope they do. Don't want Blastoise for all of them, even though Blastoise is a great Pokemon. Kyogre. It is said to have widened the seas by causing downpours. It had been asleep in a marine trench. Okay. Cool. Put that to the side. Let's get these packs out. Aren't these like the same art on the packs as well? Like, surely they have different arts in these. Anyways, let's open our first pack. Just hope I don't cut the cards. First pack. What's on the front? It's a pinch. Back out of there. Code number 3. 3 from the back. Chuck this dude out. And it's a water energy again. That means we'll get something good, right? The first one was a water energy. Rusted Sword. Rotom. Eldegoss. Trapinch. Shinx. Rowlet. It's a very nice artwork actually. Looks pretty good. Eevee. Very nice artwork there too. Morpeko. Menifee for the reverse. And it's a reverse rare, which is not too bad. And a Greedent V, which is not too bad either. We will take those. So 3 so far. 3 decent pulls out of 3 packs. Let's go next pack. And how cool would it be if we just pulled a Charizard out of nowhere? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Code 2, 3. And it is a Fire Energy Shanks. Okay, here we go. Cramorant. Just chilling, I guess, or skipping along the water, whatever it's doing. Tropius with his banana chin. Rotom, shocked about something. Morpeko stealing food. Cacnea, proud man. Choodle chewing something, chewing a flower. Spinarak. Cuffent. Rowlet as the reverse. Very nice. And a Menifee as the rare non-holo. Which is not the best, but that is okay because we still have one more pack to go. The last one. Get this out of here. Snip, snip. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself for this purposes someday, but not today. Let's get this open. I think this guy's name is Zarude. I've never really seen him in a Pokemon game, so I reckon he's probably quite new. Don't know too much about him. So let's open this up and get another Blastoise coin. Do they not give other coins there? I thought they did, but it's alright. Not really here for the coins. Zarude. Once the vines on Zarude's body tear off, they become nutrients in the soil. This helps the plants of the forest grow. So he's quite nice, the plants, I guess. Artwork is kind of cool. Put them to the side, and we get different packs. We get a Charizard pack. Man, it would be awesome if we actually pulled a Charizard there. Let's get this one out. Let's save the Charizard pack to last. Let's open this first. See what we get. See what we get. And we get a Snom. Code 1, 2, 3. Fire. Not fighting. Alrighty. Floatzel. Nice. Team Yell Tower. Rotom. Snom. Grookey. Eevee. Morpeko. Choodle. Thwacky Reverse. And another Menifee rare, which is kind of not that great, to be honest, because we've been pulled that already. Let's hope we get something from this Charizard pack. Come on, Charizard. Apparently the pull rate of Charizard is pretty hard to pull though. It's like you pull one out of 280 packs or something like that, I think. So pretty lucky if you do manage to pull one, but that shall not stop us from trying. First code. Not the first, probably the sixth code now. And then 3 from the back. And we will get a Grass Energy. Jokes. Lightning. Okay, here we go. Luxio. Gym Trainer. Thwacky. Morpeko. Cacnea. Horsey. Cuffent. Choodle. Wow, Mouth as the shiny in this pack. Galarian Mouth, sorry. Looks very nice. That's a great card. And the final card, a Luxray holographic, which is not a bad pack. It's pretty good. And that's about it. So out of 6 packs, we got an Impidimp, which is very nice. A Galarian Mouth Holo. Very nice. Luxray, which isn't too bad. And then we got the Greedent V, or Greedent. And then the Cramorant VMAX. Very nice. So out of 6 packs, we got, I guess we got 5 holographics, which isn't too bad. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please come back for more. I will be opening up more packs in the future. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, a dislike if you didn't, and subscribe for more. See ya.